Have you ever woken up feeling heavier than when you went to sleep? That uncomfortable bloating, the constant fatigue, the sense that something inside just won't move? If you're over 50, you've probably accepted this as normal aging. But what if I told you it's not? Millions of people live with sluggish digestion every single day. Gas, constipation, low energy, poor sleep, and that persistent brain fog that makes everything harder. And the worst part? Most doctors just hand you a prescription and send you on your way. The truth is, your gut controls far more than digestion. It's your body's command center. When it slows down, everything suffers. Your energy plummets, your immune system weakens, your mood darkens, even your skin loses its natural glow. Scientists aren't exaggerating when they call the gut your second brain. It determines how much nutrition you actually extract from food, how efficiently your body produces energy, and even how you feel emotionally from one moment to the next. Now imagine a simple drink you can make in less than 2 minutes using ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. A drink that works overnight while you sleep, gently releasing what's been trapped inside, restoring natural movement, and bringing back that feeling of lightness you thought was gone forever. Stay with me because I'm about to reveal the exact recipe. And pay special attention to the third ingredient. It's the one that makes everything work, and it might surprise you. Before we get to the solution, you need to understand what's really happening inside your body. After 50, intestinal contractions naturally slow down. Food that used to move through smoothly now sits longer, fermenting and creating gas and pressure. When digestion slows, your body can't absorb nutrients properly anymore. That's why your nails become brittle, your hair thins, and your skin looks dull, even if you're eating well. The nutrition simply isn't getting where it needs to go. Your immune system takes a massive hit too, because roughly 70% of it lives in your gut. When your digestive system struggles, your natural defenses collapse. You catch every bug that goes around and take forever to recover. Even your mental state suffers. Anxiety, mood swings, sadness, these aren't just in your head. They're direct results of poor gut health affecting the production of serotonin and other crucial brain chemicals. Here's the breakthrough. When you restore healthy gut function, everything else improves automatically. Energy returns, sleep deepens, mental clarity comes back. Your whole body responds. And it starts with one simple nighttime habit. The simple 3-ingredient recipe. The recipe requires just 3 things: warm filtered water, half a fresh lemon, and 1 tablespoon of either extra virgin olive oil or chia seeds. Sounds almost too simple, right? But that's exactly why it works. Warm water is your starting point. It gently wakes up your digestive system, relaxes tight intestinal muscles, and signals your body that it's time to release what's been stuck. When you drink it before bed, your body dedicates those sleeping hours to deep internal cleansing. Fresh lemon acts as your natural catalyst. It jumpstarts digestion, delivers immune-boosting vitamin C, and helps break down the waste that's been sitting too long. The moment it hits your system, things start moving. Now comes the most important part. Your third ingredient is where the magic happens. You get to choose between extra virgin olive oil or chia seeds, and each one works differently. Olive oil is a powerful natural lubricant. It coats your intestinal walls, reduces inflammation, and helps stuck waste slide through easily. It's fast and effective, especially for severe constipation. Chia seeds work more gently, but just as thoroughly. They absorb liquid and form a thick gel that expands in your digestive tract, pushing everything forward while feeding the beneficial bacteria your gut needs. It's slower but incredibly nourishing. If you're dealing with serious backup, olive oil typically brings faster relief. If you want a gentler, more sustainable approach, chia seeds are your best choice. How to make it? Here's the exact preparation. Warm 1 glass of filtered water, not boiling, just comfortably warm to the touch. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or chia seeds. Mix it thoroughly. If you're using chia seeds, let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes so the seeds can form that natural gel coating. This gel is what creates the gentle cleansing action. Drink it right before bed, making sure it's been at least 3 hours since your last meal. This timing is crucial. It allows your body to focus entirely on elimination instead of processing new food. The 5-day transformation. What happens next is remarkable. Most people experience it as a clear 5-day progression. Day 1, you'll notice subtle shifts, maybe some movement in your stomach, gentle sounds as things start activating, or just a feeling that something is different. Your system is waking up from hibernation. Day 2, results become obvious. Bowel movements come easier, that heavy bloated feeling starts lifting. You finally feel like your body is releasing what's been stuck for weeks or even months. Day 3, this is where real transformation begins. People consistently report waking up feeling like a physical weight has been lifted from their core. Energy surges. Even your face looks different. More color, more life. Constipation that plagued you for years suddenly breaks. Day 4, the improvements go deeper. Your body feels genuinely energetic. Digestion speeds up noticeably. Sleep quality improves dramatically. It's like your body is finally saying thank you for giving it what it needed. Everyone's timeline is slightly different. Some people feel dramatic results on day 2. Others need the full 5 days, but the vast majority notice significant change within this first week. What this really means. Think about what your life would look like if you woke up every morning without pain, without that constant bloated stomach, with real energy to do what you love. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing brighter eyes, healthier skin, and actually recognizing the vibrant person looking back at you. This isn't fantasy, it's completely achievable, and it starts with 1 glass before bed. The best part is, you don't need expensive products. You don't need complicated diet plans. You just need this one simple habit repeated consistently. Once you feel the initial improvements, you can amplify them. Add more fiber-rich foods to breakfast. Include fermented options like yogurt or sauerkraut. Reduce processed sugar intake. Each small addition multiplies your results. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.